Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Company information page shows all the important information about your company. The page also includes the user and feature licenses purchased for the organization. Navigation of company information, setup, settings, security, company settings, company information. See the navigation, just log into our Salesforce account. So setup, settings, company settings, company information. We can find it out by searching the company information. So here we are seeing company information. This whole details we are getting: primary contact Salesforce network, organization name is network, it's registered in January, and which organization edition it's using, developer edition. So here user licenses is there, Salesforce integration, it's in active status, total licenses 1, used licenses 0, remaining licenses is 1, and expiration date. So for the developer edition we are not seeing any expiration date. Salesforce is active and there are 2 licenses, used licenses is 2, so there is no remaining license, and there is no expiration date. So we can see from here what are the licenses we have, what are the status for that particular license, how many number of licenses, how many number of used licenses, is there any remaining license, and what is the expiration date of particular license. So next is permission set licenses. So these many permission set licenses are there with all the details, feature licenses, uses based entitlements. So in this way we can check our company details. System overview shows uses data and limits for the organization and displays message when we reach 95% of our limit, 75% of portal roles. The system overview page displays uses for schema, API uses, business logic, user interface, most used licenses, portal roles. Navigation of system overview, setup, platform tools, environments, system overview. So to see the navigation, just log into our Salesforce account. So setup, platform tools, environments, system overview. System overview, view key uses data for your org. So all the details we are seeing over here: schema, your custom object, your custom settings. So 8 we had used, 2% of maximum 400, total custom objects plus total custom settings, that is 8, custom metadata types 0, custom metadata type uses 0%, data storage 352 KB approx of maximum 5 MB, business logic 3 rules are there, means we had created, apex triggers 0, apex classes 0, and most used licenses are analytics cloud integration user Two are there, both are occupied. Salesforce, two licenses are there, both are occupied, 100% used, chatter free. One we are using. At the right side, API uses, so 0. User interface, custom apps, 2 we are using, and we can create up to 10. Active Salesforce sites, 0. Active flows, 2. Custom tabs we are using 8, and maximum 100 is there. Visual Force pages we are not using for now. So like this we can see the system overview. Storage is divided into two categories. File storage includes files in attachments, files home, Salesforce CRM content, chatter files, document tab, custom file field on knowledge articles and site.com assets. Second one is data storage includes all objects tied to field, navigation of storage uses, setup, administration, data storage uses. So to see the navigation, just log into our Salesforce account. So setup, under administration, expand data, storage uses, storage uses. Your organization's storage uses is listed below. So storage type, data storage, limit is 5 MB, used 352 KB, percent used 7%. File storage is of 20 MB, big object storage is of 10 lakh. Current data storage uses, so following are using. Current file storage uses, current big object storage uses, top users by data storage uses, top users by file storage uses. So this kind of storage uses we can check out from here. Thank you, and